Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Zoom login failed invalid email or password error. If you've been locked out of your Zoom account due to a forgotten password or incorrect credentials, this tutorial will walk you through the password reset process step by step so you can get back into your meetings quickly. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. This will take you to Zoom's homepage where you can access all account-related features. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you'll see a field asking for your email address or phone number. Enter whichever one you originally used to create your Zoom account, then click Next. This is where you'd normally enter your password, but since we're fixing a login issue, we'll take a different route. Instead of attempting to enter your password again, look just below the password field for a link that says Forgot Password. Click on this link to begin the password recovery process. This is the key step that will help you regain access to your account without needing to remember your old credentials. After clicking Forgot Password, Zoom may prompt you to enter your phone number for verification purposes. If this screen appears, type in your phone number exactly as it's registered with your account, then click Next. This step ensures that only you can reset the password and helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to receive your verification code. Zoom will give you two options, text or call. Select whichever method works best for you. If you choose text, you'll receive a code via SMS. If you choose call, Zoom will call your phone and read the code to you. Make your selection and wait a moment for the code to arrive. Once you receive the verification code, enter it carefully into the field provided on the screen, then click Next. Make sure you enter the code exactly as you received it, as these codes are case-sensitive and time-limited. This step confirms your identity and allows you to proceed with creating a new password. Now you'll see two fields, one labeled Create Password and another labeled Confirm. In the Create Password field, type in a strong new password that you'll remember. Then, in the Confirm field, type the exact same password to verify it. Once both fields match, click Save Password to finalize the reset, and that's it. You've successfully reset your Zoom password and fixed the login failed error. You should now be able to sign in using your new credentials without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.